I just took the short trade on a NQ after it's struggling to go further up. The reason is that I'm looking at the ES. If you look at the chart right here on ES, the price went up and then liquidity started building up. A lot of sell orders started coming in. Okay, wait. I get to move my target so that I can little bit run. So anyway, so you can see I took a short trade not based on the ES chart, not based on NQ chart, not based on NQ liquidity, based on the liquidity from the ES I'm trading on NQ. Why? You can see the liquidity is like red is not that strong, but moment the price went up here, the red color is very bright. That means highest liquidity. Price went up there, touched there, and then I saw the huge price reaction. I took the usual trade. So from now on, I just want to manage my. I need to first movement is like I need to wait for the right time to move my price into the break even mode. I don't want to do it prematurely because the volatility will get me out. I need to little bit wait until the price moves away from my entry point, and then I will move my stop loss to the break even. Now it's just a patience game. Let me be patient a little bit. I don't want to move the stop loss a little bit too closer. There's a bounce even here also, but again there's a strong liquidity building up. This trade I did not take based on the supply and buy signals, purely based on liquidity zones. That too, its highest liquidity is built up like crazy here, and then I can see the reaction in the price action as well. So, and then we see the double push down on the signal on the supply side. Ideally, my stop should go here, but I don't want to take that much risk. I'm just keeping it right now here, because if I keep the stops here, that will be much more safer, because that's where that is the suggested as per the system. Just patience. It's just a matter of patience game. I think the rejection happening on ES side. I should see that on the NQ soon. I see started seeing red candles on the ES side. Oh, I think it went back to green. Let's see. Just be patient. I think we need to come out of this volatility range. You never know. The price is going to go back up and break through everything. Just being patient and waiting to see what is the price reaction on those. I'm still in the trade. It's been like almost like 10 15 minutes. Trading is a patience game. As long as you believe in what's going to happen based on the technicals, liquidity, and price action, you have to stick to it. I think not let your emotion play into your game. Um, it had a pullback, but I didn't wanted to exit the trade. I had to move my stop back to the swing high. Okay, now I'm having a moving the prices down. So now I just need to make sure I'm staying in the trade. Now this is the best time for me to break even. All right. So now this is a little bit early because of the Visa price actions before, but I still wanted to make sure price don't reverse and then I lose my trade. So that's I would rather, because the reason is that it's heading into the previous confirmed demand level. That's why I want to make sure I move my stop a little bit tighter, just a break even point at my entry trade. At this point, worst case is I might get stopped over without losing any dollars. But still, if the moves in the way, I'll be really pissed. So because I have very too tight stop. But worst case was I'm not going to lose anything because my stop is at the break even point above my trade entry. So I should be happy with what I have so far. You can see it's a very good price action in terms of it tried to touch multiple times on those liquidity level. It could not break it through. Now it is going to pull back and then continue, or going to go down, which we are not sure. That's why I had to move my stop to the break even at this point. Let's see which direction market is gonna go. I want to see more sellers adding to this liquidity. That will be a great sign, right? So I want to see more. I don't see any liquidity up here in the NQ, so that's why I don't. I look at liquidity on NQ, but even though I trade NQ, I look at ES. I trade based on ES liquidity price action. What happened to the price after the liquidity touch or bounce or run? Those three strategies that we talk about in the training videos for our customers. In this case, I'm at point where my stop loss is at the break even. So let's see. Let's be patient and then see what happens to the price action. Because right now there is a huge demand up against. I need to go, but I don't see any huge orders on the ES side. So that's a good sign for me. That means I don't see any huge support at the price below. So that means there are resistance up above the price action, but there is no support below, at least not closer. So that's a good sign for me to stay in the trade. Again, I'm on trade on NQ one contract, but I'm focusing more on the ES liquidity right here. There you go. 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 Guys, that is no better way to explain this by instead of showing the trade. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Isn't it fantastic? Where I am. $700. I'm okay to get stopped out now. I am okay to get stopped out. I got stopped out, guys. That's a very good $650 run. It's all just based on liquidity. Look, again, I want you to take a look in terms of liquidity. Look at the colors. It's not that bright. Look how much liquidity it got built up here. So I knew this is very hard is going to penetrate through this liquidity zone. I entered the short trade, and then it was $650. Just one contract. Run down, patience, stick to a stop loss, stick to a game. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much.